Hundreds of COVID-19 test kits are showing up on doorsteps across Wisconsin for people who never requested them. Investigative reporter James Stratton has been looking into this. And James, the list of people affected is growing, and we are all essentially paying the price.
We are, Joy. Since our first report in August, more than 40 people have called us caught in the middle of this COVID test kit billing scam. The state has identified 125 others, and leaders tell us that number is likely much higher, costing us as taxpayers thousands. COVID-19 test kits filled up Patricia Hurd's doorstep.
Why are they sending me all these tests?
36 total. She's stacked what's left on her kitchen table. And she's not alone. 12 News Investigates has heard from dozens of others.
I mean, this is totally outrageous.
I've never, ever met anyone from these labs. I've never requested anything from these labs. I've never used the labs.
COVID testing.
It wasn't until she saw our stories that she realized.
I seen you on TV, and I'm like, oh my God, that's exactly what happened to me.
Here's what's happened to her and more than 160 other Wisconsinites, at least that we know of. Companies order and ship test kits to people who never ordered them and then bill Medicare, costing taxpayers thousands of dollars.
Locked.
We've knocked on the doors of these companies.
Just a user busy.
And called them, but have yet to receive a response. Patricia Hurd, caught in the middle of the scam, wants leaders to act. Yeah, what's your message to federal leaders?
I can't swear. Get your butt moving and do something about this, because Medicare is going to become obsolete if people like this keep getting away with scamming the system.
And wants companies to be caught.
I'm hoping that you can get to the bottom of this and they can catch the that are doing this.
You can certainly hear and feel her frustration. Now, James, I know you've reached out to lawmakers, so what is the federal government doing to stop this?
Yeah, we've definitely reached out to them. We do know the Office of Inspector General is investigating this fraud, but we don't exactly know to what extent. Senator Ron Johnson called on Congress to investigate after seeing our reporting. Senator Tammy Baldwin has penned a letter to the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services asking them to be more upfront with people just like Hurd who are caught in the middle of this scheme.
I know you'll stay on it. Investigative reporter James Stratton reporting live from the newsroom. And there is strength in numbers, so if you believe you're caught in the middle or receive tests without requesting them, we want to hear about it. Go to WISN.com/tips and email the 12 News Investigates team. Medicare also wants you to report fraud. We have a link to do that right now on our website as well.